Good morning, students. I am Dr. A.K. Jaithunbi from CSE Department, RMD Engineering College. Let us see in problem solving using C++ Unit 5 templates. Now, what is templates? Templates are powerful features of C++ which allows us to write generic programs. Now, generic programming is what? It is an approach to programming where generic types are used as parameters and algorithms to work for a variety of data types. To avoid having to write the same code for many data types, the simple concept is to pass the data type as a parameter. So we have two ways, that is function template and the class template. Now, templates in C++, it is an interesting feature. So it is defined as a blueprint or formula for creating a generic class or a function. Right, let us see what is function template. Now here, generic functions define a set of operations that can be applied to various types of data. The type of data that the function will operate on depends on the type of the data passed as a parameter. For example, quicksorting algorithm is implemented using generic function. It can be implemented to an array of integers or array of floats. A generic function is created by using the keyword template. The template defines what function will do. Let us see now class template. Class template can also be defined similarly to the function template. When a class uses the concept of template, then the class is known as generic class. Right. Now let us see the class template now. It can be defined similarly to a function template. When a class uses the concept of template, then the class is known as generic class. So we have template, class, t-type. Then we have class name, open brace, close brace. Now t-type is a placeholder name which will be determined when the class is instantiated. Now let us see the example. So I have class t. So first, I can give it as integer. Then if I want to do some process with the float data type, I can give the t as float data type. Otherwise, string or int, whatever it is, right? Now here I have given within the angular bracket int. If I want float, I can give it as float. If I want as long int, I can give as long int. Now class templates with multiple parameters. We can use more than one generic data type in a class template, and each generic data type is separated by comma. So I can have, it is not necessary that always I'll be adding integer data type or float data type or long int. So the data type may vary. So I can have t1, t2. Now in the main function, I'll be having within angular brackets the description of these two parts, t1 and t2. Right. Now let us see function templates. Right. Function template. Generic functions use the concept of a function template. Generic functions define a set of operations that can be applied to the various types of data. The type of data that the function will operate on depends on the type of the data passed as parameter. For example, quicksorting algorithm is implemented using a generic function. It can be implemented in an array of integers or array of floats. Right. So let us see the syntax: template, class type, return type, function name, parameter list, and within the curly braces we'll be having the body of the function. Now let us see the example now. So I have here int main. I have two variables I and j. I don't have here class, right? Not generally I declare two variable and I'm trying to find max. Then I have double, I try to find the max. Then I have string, I try to find the max. So I'm calling the function max. Initially it is of integer data type, then float, then it is of string. So here what I do is I give template type name t inline. So the depending on the parameter you should change. T const ampersand, I pass the address, right, and then the name of the function is max, and I have the two variables t and t is a template. So if it is initially int, it will be int. If it is float, it will be float. If it is string, it will be string, right? And then I have this ternary operator. If a is less than b, I print b because it is max, no? So b is max, b, else I print a. Thank you, students.